Matagal na ako sa Mindanao. Nakikita ko itong maggugulo to. So the reason why umiikot ako, because Mindanao is a troubled land. And noon, ang battleground is Mindanao and Davao City. Pinaputok yung simbahan. The Roman Catholic Church was bombed twice. Once not during my time and once in my time. Yung international airport pinaputok 1 month after yung Pantalan, then the terminal. Ang akin yun lang, ang Mindanao, Zamboanga, araw-araw. Governor Piñol ng Kidapawan, araw-araw ang putukan doon. Jensen. So sabi ko, this cannot go on. Pag bumagsak itong BBL, gugulo na naman. Maraming namatay na sa Mindanao. Ilan pa bang buhay para makamit natin yung kapayapaan na yan?